This video is all about some cool and super efficient woodworking tools that every expert worker will love. So let's not waste any second and see what we've got. Wolfcraft Triple Blade Edge Planer. Need to shave down edges for a perfect fit? The Wolfcraft Triple Blade Edge Planer is your new go-to. This compact tool has 3 replaceable blades for smooth, precise planing on wood or drywall edges. The ergonomic, soft grip handle keeps your hand comfy, and the 45-degree blade angle prevents tear-out for clean cuts. At just 0.6 of a pound, it's ideal for trimming doors, shelves, or tabletops. The durable plastic body and metal blade guides hold up to regular use, and the tool-free blade swap keeps you moving. This planer makes smoothing rough edges feel effortless and professional. Ready to tackle big cuts with ease? The RIDGID R8658 18-volt brushless, cordless rear handle. Circular saw brings corded power to your cordless game. Its brushless motor hits 5,100 RPM, slicing up to 2 7/16 inches deep at 90 degrees. The rear handle gives you better control for ripping plywood or framing lumber. With a 0 to 56-degree bevel range and an LED light, it shines in low light cuts. Weighing 8 9/10 pounds, it's sturdy yet easy to handle, and the magnesium shoe adds toughness. Pair it with an 18-volt battery for up to 300 cuts per charge. This saw is a champ for decks or furniture frames. Drilling straight holes without a drill press can be a pain, but the Milescraft 1348 DrillMatePRO makes it super easy. This portable guide adjusts from 0 to 60 degrees for precise angled or straight holes in wood or metal. The V-groove base grips round stock, and the metal guide bars keep things steady. It works with 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch chuck drills, with a depth stop for consistent holes. The ergonomic handle and non-slip base make it a breeze to use, even on uneven surfaces. Perfect for dowel joints, shelf pins, or angled furniture builds. This tool brings drill press accuracy to your workbench. Let's make those miter cuts for trim or frames a total breeze. The Wolfcraft Bevel Plus Mitre box combines a bevel gauge and miter box for dead-on angles pretty easily. Its built-in clamp locks workpieces tight, and the lightweight plastic body handles boards up to 100 millimeters wide. The compact design fits small shops perfectly, and the clear scale ensures spot-on measurements. Great for baseboards, picture frames, or furniture trim. This miter box keeps things simple and precise, even if you're new to woodworking. You'll be cutting perfect angles like a pro in no time. Need a saw that's small but mighty? The Makita SH02Z 12-volt Max CXT Cordless Circular Saw is your new shop buddy. Its 3 3/8 inch blade spins at 1,500 RPM, cutting up to 1 inch deep in plywood or MDF. At just 3.5 pounds, it's a breeze to use one-handed in tight spots. The comfy grip keeps fatigue at bay, and the dust blower clears your cut line for precision. With a 50-degree bevel capacity and an electric brake for safety, it's perfect for trim or small furniture builds. Pair it with a 12-volt CXT battery for up to 120 cuts per charge. Ever wish you could keep your workpiece rock steady while sanding or routing? The Kreg KFS Puck multipurpose project blocks are here to help. These clever pucks lift your material 1.5 inches off your workbench, giving you plenty of room for routing, sanding, or finishing. Each block has Grip Max anti-slip surfaces on both sides, so your wood stays put and the puck doesn't budge. The retractable painting points twist out for finishing, minimizing contact to avoid sticking. A set of 4 supports up to 200 pounds, perfect for small crafts or big panels. Their hexagon shape stops rolling, and they play nice with Kreg's joining systems. These pucks make every task smoother and more precise. Pushing boards through a table saw can feel a bit dicey, right? The Milescraft 3404 PushStick makes it safe and easy. Its ergonomic handle feels comfy in your hand, and the bright yellow design is easy to spot in a busy shop. The notched tip grabs wood tightly, guiding it smoothly through saws or routers without slipping. With a 3/4 inch wide foot and non-slip pads, you get solid control, even on skinny stock. Made of tough plastic, it's built to last, and the built-in scale helps measure cuts on the fly. This PushStick is your go-to for safe, accurate cuts on table saws, router tables, or jointers. Sanding curves or contours. Got you stuck? Infinity tools. Sleeveless sanding drums are here to smooth it out. Available in sizes from 1/2 inch to 3 inches, these drums fit drill presses or hand drills. The sleeveless design lets you swap sandpaper grits fast, saving time on spindles or bowls. Made with durable rubber and aluminum cores, they grip sandpaper tightly without slipping. The included mandrels ensure a secure fit, and the flexible rubber hugs irregular shapes for a flawless finish. Great for shaping chair legs or refining carvings, these drums make sanding intricate details quick and easy. Want to nail box joints or dovetails without the stress? The Woodpecker's Joinery Sled is your ticket to precision joinery. Its heavy-duty aluminum build and adjustable fences deliver dead-on accuracy on your table saw. The sled glides smoothly in standard Mitre slots with zero-play bearings for consistent cuts. It includes templates for 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch box joints and dovetails, perfect for furniture or decorative boxes. Quick-release clamps hold workpieces tight, and micro-adjust feature dials and perfect fits. This sled makes complex joinery feel like a walk in the park, giving your projects a pro-level edge. Kreg Jig R3. So building strong hidden joints shouldn't be a hassle, right? The Kreg Jig R3 is a pocket hole wizard. This compact jig drills precise pocket holes in 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch thick material, ideal for furniture, cabinets, or quick repairs. The adjustable drill guide and depth collar makes setup a snap, and the clamp pad keeps things steady. With 2 guide holes and a tough polymer body, it's lightweight at 1 pound but built for regular use. The kit comes with a starter screw set and carry case, perfect for small shops or on-the-go projects. This jig makes sturdy joints fast and easy. Sanding rough stock or fine-tuning finishes. The BUCKTOOL direct drive bench belt and disc sander is your shop's new best friend. Its 4x36 inch belt and 6 inch disc tackle everything from rough boards to smooth surfaces. The 3/4 HP direct drive motor runs at 2000 RPM, delivering smooth, vibration-free power. The belt tilts from 0 to 90 degrees, and the cast iron base keeps it rock solid. With a quick-release belt change and miter gauge for the disc table, it's great for sharpening tools or shaping wood. The dust port keeps your shop clean, making the sander a go-to for any project. Installing trim and getting those angles just right can be a chore, but the Milescraft 84-01 Trim 45 Trim Carpentry aid makes it a breeze. This handy tool measures, marks, and cuts 45-degree angles for perfect miter joints on baseboards or window casings. The adjustable T-square doubles as a depth gauge, and the metal ruler ensures precise cuts up to 1.5 inches wide. Its non-slip base keeps it steady, and the pencil holder keeps your marker close. At 1/2 pound, it's easy to toss in your tool bag for job sites or small shops. This aid makes trim work look pro-level sharp. Cutting clean holes for wiring or dowels, the Trend 6-piece electrician. Hole saw set is a total lifesaver. With sizes from 1 to 2 inches, these bimetal saws cut through wood, drywall, or thin metal without a hitch. The high-speed steel teeth stay sharp, and the quick-release arbor makes swapping sizes quick and easy. The included pilot drill ensures accurate starts, and the sturdy carry case keeps everything organized. Perfect for speaker boxes, shelf supports, or cable pass-throughs, this set delivers clean, splinter-free holes every time. It's a reliable pick for any woodworker needing precision holes. Looking for a workbench that's sturdy yet easy to store? The Makita Folding Work Table EX with extendable legs is a shop game changer. It supports up to 1,000 pounds with adjustable legs stretching from 30 to 34 inches for the perfect height. The 33.5 by 21 7/10 inch surface is great for sawing, drilling, or assembly. Its resin construction resists warping, and the quick open design sets up in seconds. 2 12-inch clamps secure workpieces, and the foldable frame stores flat. At 26 pounds, it's portable for job sites or small shops, making it a versatile pick for any woodworking task. Building a custom table saw Sled sound like a project in itself? The Microjig Zero Play 360 Sled Kit makes it super simple. This kit creates a precision cross-cut sled with zero play miter bars for smooth, accurate cuts. The adjustable bars fit standard 3/4 by 3/8 inch miter slots, and the hardware builds a sled up to 24 by 36 inches. The 360-degree adjustability ensures perfect alignment, and the durable aluminum components handle heavy use. Great for box joints, crosscuts, or small parts, this kit gives you miter saw accuracy without the extra tool. It's a shop must-have for clean, repeatable cuts. Sanding tiny details or small projects. The Microlux Micro Power Sander is your new favorite tool. This palm-sized sander runs on 12V power at 7,000 RPM, perfect for models, carvings, or small furniture pieces. Its 1x3-inch sanding pad swaps easily for different grits, and the ergonomic grip keeps your hand comfy. Weighing just 0.4 pounds, it's ideal for shaping inlays or smoothing tight edges. The included dust bag keeps your workspace tidy, and the durable motor is built for long-term use. This sander makes intricate woodworking feel like a breeze and delivers pro-level finesse. Besol Portable Moving Dolly. Moving heavy lumber or finished projects wearing you out? The Besol Portable Moving Dolly is here to save the day. This sturdy dolly handles up to 1,000 pounds, with 4 3-inch swivel casters for smooth rolling across shop floors. The non-slip rubber surface keeps plywood or furniture secure, and the 18 by 12-inch design fits tight spaces. Made from tough steel, it's built for rough use, and the low-profile frame slides under stacks easily. Perfect for transporting tabletops, cabinets, or lumber, this dolly keeps your shop organized and your back happy with minimal effort. Marking precise lines for joinery or layouts can be a pain, but the Woodpecker's dual beam scribe makes it a snap. This stainless steel scribe has 2 laser-etched beams for marking parallel lines from 1/16 to 1 inch apart. The hardened steel points create crisp, accurate marks on wood or metal, and the knurled grip gives you great control. At just 0.2 pounds, it's pocket-friendly for quick tasks. Perfect for mortises, dovetails, or hinge layouts. This scribe saves time on complex projects and adds a pro touch to your woodworking. Getting those trim measurements spot on can be tricky, right? The Rockler trim gauge makes it super easy. This compact tool measures and marks 45-degree, 90-degree angles for baseboards, crown molding, or window casings. The adjustable stainless steel ruler extends up to 6 inches, and the locking mechanism ensures accurate transfers. Its non-slip base keeps it steady, and the pencil slot keeps your marker handy. At 0.3 pounds, it's perfect for job sites or small shops. This gauge ensures tight joints and a pro finish for all your trim projects. Ready to power through rough stock or smooth out surfaces? The Jella 7-amp belt. Sander with dust bag is a shop superstar. Its 7-amp motor spins 3x21-inch belts at up to 1,200 RPM, tackling hardwoods or softwoods with ease. The adjustable handle and variable speed dial give you control, and the quick-release belt system makes grit swaps a breeze. At 6.5 pounds, it's sturdy but manageable, with a dust bag to keep your shop clean. The 0 to 45-degree belt tilt handles edges or flat surfaces, perfect for tabletops or door refinishing. This sander delivers smooth, pro results every time. So that's our rundown of 20 killer woodworking tools for 2025. Got one you're eyeing? Drop a comment, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell to stay in the loop for more tool talk.